I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damaged thread and choosing the right insert. This is crucial because a mismatched size ruins the repair. Once you confirm thread size and pitch with the gauge, clean the hole thoroughly using solvent and compressed air so the insert can seat properly. Make sure the part is stabilized in a vise or fixture. Next, pick the corresponding drill bit and tap from the kit and set your drill speed low to avoid heat buildup while you begin drilling straight. Once the hole is clean, drill to the kit's specified diameter, stopping at the marked depth. Using a drill stop or tape prevents over-drilling. After drilling, use the supplied tap with steady, vertical pressure. Turn forward 1 full turn and back off a half to break chips and avoid binding. Frequently clear chips with a brush or compressed air. After tapping, blow out debris and test fit the insert to ensure correct engagement. Making adjustments now saves reinstall headaches later. You now install the insert using the installation tool, turning it until it seats flush or just below the surface per kit instructions. This ensures proper bolt engagement and loads distribution. Once seated, break off the tang if the insert style has one, removing the small piece and lightly deburring the entry. Finally, reinstall the bolt and torque to spec to verify strength. If the bolt is loose, recheck insert depth and thread engagement. A common fix is to reseat or replace the insert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.